Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to give you MCQ type questions from the chapter Morphology of Flowering Plants. So they are useful for your intermediate public examination and NEET also. So let's see the questions one by one. Root system found in dicots is, options are taproot system, fibrous root system, adventitious root system, prop root system. For this, the correct answer is taproot system is the correct answer. So in dicots, taproot system is present where the primary root bears lateral roots and they contain secondary and tertiary branches. So it is called as taproot system, that is found in dicots. So let's see the second question. A few millimeters above the root cap, which region is present? Options are region of elongation, region of maturation, region of cell division, region of root hairs. For this, the correct answer is region of cell division. This is also called as meristematic zone. Okay. So, region of cell division that contains meristematic cells. They are dividing continuously. It is called meristematic zone or zone of meristematic activity. So that is the correct answer. Okay, few millimeters above the root cap there is a region containing meristematic cells which are dividing continuously. So let's see the third question. The arrangement of flowers on the floral axis is called as, options are aestivation, inflorescence, placentation, phyllotaxy. So the arrangement of flowers on the floral axis is termed as inflorescence. So the correct answer is inflorescence is the correct answer. Let's see the fourth question. The stem of a plant develops from, options are radicle, plumule, cotyledon, hypocotyle. For this, the correct answer is the stem develops from the plumule. That is the correct answer. So, embryonal axis contain two edges. One is radicle and other is plumule. Stem develops from plumule whereas roots develops from the radicle. Let's see the fifth question. The main axis of cymose. Options are terminates with a branch, terminates with a flower, do not ends with a flower, shows uniform growth. For this, the correct answer is it terminates with a flower. In case of cymose inflorescence, the main axis terminates with a flower. That is the correct answer. Let's see the next question. Ovules arrangement in the ovary is called as, options are aestivation, placentation, cohesion, adhesion. So, for this, the correct answer is the arrangement of ovules within the ovary is called as placentation. Let's see the next question. The swollen or bulged part of the carpel is called as, options are stigma, style, ovary, ovule. For this, the correct answer is ovary is the correct answer. The carpel consists three parts. One is stigma, style, ovary. The basal bulged part is nothing but ovary. Middle elongated stalk-like part is called as style. Upper cushion-like receptive part is called stigma, which perceives pollen grains. Okay. So let's see the next question. Give the name of estivation where the standard petal overlaps the two wing petals, which then overlap the two smaller keel petals. Options are given: vexillary, imbricate, twisted and valvate. For this, the correct answer is vexillary is the correct answer. In Fabaceae family, like pea and bean flowers, there are 5 petals. Among them, one is largest petal, that is called standard petal. It overlaps the 2 lateral petals called as wings. So wing petals again overlaps the 2 smallest anterior petals called as keel petals. Such a type of estivation is called as vexillary estivation or papilionaceous estivation. So let's see the 9th question. What is the characteristic feature of a drupe? Options are fleshy mesocarp, fleshy endocarp, stony pericarp. For this, the correct answer is stony endocarp is the correct answer. Mango and coconut fruits are example for drupe. In case of mango and coconut, the pericarp contain outer and middle parts. Outer part is called as, outer is nothing but thinner epicarp. Middle is nothing but fleshy mesocarp. Actually, that is edible. We are eating that pulp in mango. Whereas the inner is stony, hard endocarp. Okay. So epicarp is peel, mesocarp is pulp, endocarp is stony. Inside this, seed is enclosed. Okay. So let's see the next question, 10th question. After fertilization, ovule develops into, options are ovary, fruit, seed, nut. So after fertilization, ovule develops into seed. Okay. After fertilization, ovary develops into fruit, ovules become seeds. Okay. So let's see the next question. Give the example for non-endospermic monocot seed. Options are maize, rice, zoar, orchid. For this, the correct answer is orchid seed is the correct answer. So, in some plants, endosperm is formed as a result of double fertilization. Actually, it contains food storage. So, that is used up by the seed during the germination. Okay. So, in case of orchid seeds, they are very tiny seeds. There is absence of endosperm. Okay. So, let's see the next question. Identify the placentation present in the Solanaceae family. Options are basal placentation, axial placentation, parietal placentation, marginal placentation. For this, the correct answer is axial placentation is the correct answer. So, in the case of Solanaceae, the placenta is axial and ovules are attached to it in multilocular ovary. Such a type of placentation is called as axial placentation. Okay. So, they are arranged to the placenta in axial position. Okay. So, let's see the next question. Persistent calyx present in, options are brinjal, arachis, P. cajanus. For this, the correct answer is persistent calyx found in brinjal. Okay. So, generally calyx is ephemeral. That means it will fall off after fertilization. But in case of some Solanaceae members, it will remain even after the fruit formation. Such a type of calyx is called as persistent calyx, that is found in brinjal. You will find the persistent calyx in brinjal. Okay. Okay students, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.